In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get unlimited free virtual credit cards with no verification required. Open Google and search for privacy.com. Look for the section that mentions virtual cards. Click on it, and it will take you to a page with more information about the virtual cards they offer, which you will find in the top right corner of the page. You will be directed to a sign-up page. Simply enter your email address and password, then sign up. Then you'll receive an email for verification. Once you've verified your email, you will be taken to the next step. Click on Create Your First Virtual Card. You will be prompted to select the type of card. Here, I'm selecting digital. Next, you'll see a page where you need to enter a nickname for your card and set a spending limit. After filling in those details, click on Finish Setting Up. Now you'll need to enter your full name, middle name, and other required details. Then click on the Next button. Enter your billing address and click Continue. Finally, enter your phone number. A confirmation code will be sent to your phone. Once you enter the code, your account will be verified. After verification, you can go to the card section. You'll see your newly created virtual card. You can also create additional cards by clicking on Create New Card and following the same process. And that's it. That's how you can get unlimited free VCC with no verification in just a few simple steps.